This video will show you how to set up a conceptual model using GMS. So first start by importing a base map as a PNG file and then register it using the coordinate points that are assigned on the map. In this case, the upper one is 100 and 1100, and so we enter that in the coordinates for point 1. Point 2 is at 100, so we enter the coordinates there, and point 3 is at 1100 and 100. Now we add a conceptual model. And we're going to put in coverages that we'll use to set up the model. The first one is hydraulic conductivity, and we need the horizontal, vertical, and the horizontal anisotropy for the hydraulic conductivity. And now we'll put in the recharge coverage. And now a coverage for the stream. The stream in this case will be set up as a specified head or a CHD type boundary. And then we'll also put in a coverage for a well, which in this case will also be a CHD type boundary. There will be other ways to represent streams and wells, as we'll see later. Now, to set up the hydraulic conductivity, we need to specify the region over which we're going to define the hydraulic conductivity. And we do that by drawing a polygon, and this will be the entire region. So we'll close the polygon, and then we'll go and define the polygon. And now we're going to do the same thing for recharge. Same region in this case, and we go back to feature objects and build the polygon, and we get that gray tone. And now that I've set up that polygon, I'm going to use meters and seconds as the unit, so I'm going to change the units. And now I go to the attribute table for the recharge, and the recharge is 5 times 10 to the minus 9 meters per second. And I set up the hydraulic conductivity. And the stream is done by drawing in an arc, and then I select the arc, and make it a constant head, and then I'm going to select the nodes at the end of the arc and specify the head at each end of the arc at 50 and 65 meters. I'm just going to check, make sure those are set up right. There's one that needs to be fixed. And now this point is going to represent a well, and I'm assuming that I know the hydraulic head at the well as 53. So I'm going to put it in as a point where I'm specifying the head as 53 meters.